In this video, we're going to continue our discussion of the sorting and filtering options in Excel. Specifically, we're going to talk about how to filter records out of a table. So you'll notice I have Excel open to the same data table that I used in the sorting video. I have 20 companies' information here, including the industry that they compete in, the sales that they've earned, the amount of cash that they have on hand, their earning per share, and their current stock price. Now with sorting, we talked about reorganizing the data in the table. With filtering, we're not really going to reorganize the data, but we're going to select some records to be shown on the screen and some records to be hidden based on the value of cells in our data table. So as an example, we could have only those companies that are in industry B displayed by filtering everything else out. The way to do that is to select somewhere in our data table here and click on the filter button up in the data tab, sort and filter options. Notice that as soon as I do that, the filter button's now highlighted and I have little drop down arrows next to each of the column headings in my data table. So if I want to only show those companies in industry B, I click on the drop down box here for industry. I unselect all of the values. You can see that each unique value in the table is listed here under the search bar, and I put a check mark next to B. What this does for me is it will display only those records in the table that have a B for industry. So I'll click OK here, and that's exactly what's happened here. I'm only displaying those companies that are in industry B. Now you'll notice that it's like I've hidden the other companies because my row number skips from row 2 to number 4 to number 10 to number 21. So I haven't deleted any information out of that table. I've just chosen to only show those companies that have a B as their value for industry. Now I can clear that by just clicking on the clear button up here, and that will display all of the other companies in my data table as well. Now, I've shown you how to select only a specific value. We can also filter based on a range. So let's say I'm interested in only those companies that have a stock price that's less than $100. So I click on the drop-down box by stock price, and under number filter, I come over here and I choose the less than option. And now I've got a dialog window that will allow me to choose values in a range for stock price. So show rows where stock price is less than 100. And notice that I can add another criteria here as well. But we'll leave it just at less than 100 and click OK. Now I'm displaying only those companies, regardless of industry, sales, and cash on hand, that have a stock price less than $100. As you can see, I can sort based on the values in my table, regardless of whether they're numeric values or whether they're just letters or other text. And although I'm not going to show it in this video, I can even filter my table based on the formatting of the cells in the table. There are some really powerful filtering and sorting options, for that matter, available to us in Excel.